How to add braids to your project. You can embellish your finished projects with a bunch of decorative touches like pom-poms, tassels, embroidery, and even braids. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to attach braids to your project. We'll be using a contrast color to keep things super clear and simple. Your pattern will specify how many strands of yarn you'll need and how long they need to be for your project. Thread the bundle of yarn between the stitches shown in your pattern. We've threaded a bundle of 6 strands through our project. Half of your strands should now have come out the front of the stitch and the other half of the bundle out the back of the stitch. Make sure you have approximately the same length at the front as you do the back. Now bundle the yarn strands into even groups. Our 6 strands have become 12. We'll now divide these into 3 groups of 4 strands each. Now we'll begin braiding the strands. Hold each group of strands taut so that the braid won't come loose while working on it. Cross the strands on the left over the middle section. Then cross the strands on the right over the middle section. Repeat these 2 steps until you reach the end of the yarn bundle. Once you've finished your braid, tie the end with a short piece of spare yarn to secure. Trim the ends to finish it off. Repeat for all the braids you'd like to attach to your project.